welcome to my new apartment. Moving in today, so before we move all of our things in, I just wanted to do a little empty apartment tour. So let's check this place out. That's the front door, and the first thing you see is the living room. Over here we have a little section for like a dining area, for example. If you turn around, we have a really nice little balcony, a little porch, and these sliding doors are really awesome because they're so big and they let in a lot of natural light. We've got a closet in here, pretty simple. And then let's go over to the dining area. I want to point out this boob light that will be going, like definitely it will be going, but anyway. This is the kitchen. Oh, you already put your, that looks so cute there. I love it. There's already a few like things in here. This is the kitchen. We've got a dishwasher, what was that called? An oven, a refrigerator, and some nice cabinets. So I've got lots of plans for how to spice this kitchen up. I'm very excited, and it's, you know, pretty good size. And then let's check out the bathroom and the bedroom. So over this way, let's go into the bedroom first. It's very simple, but it's pretty big, I'd say. And then we've got a window, no lighting here, so we're gonna be getting some nice floor lamps. And then these two closets, which are pretty spacious, so that's very, very nice. Definitely gonna fit all my stuff in there, I hope. If we come back out here, we've got a little linen closet, and then the bathroom. The bathroom, pretty simple. Not sure exactly how we're gonna go about like making it look nicer. I have some ideas, just nothing for certain yet. It'll be look good. We're gonna replace these. That'll be a really nice like thing, like your eyes just gonna be drawn to that. I think, oh no, that's like screwed onto the wall, so we can't replace that, but we'll get some nice hooks, a nice shower curtain. It'll be lovely. Anyway, I could have sworn that in the tour these were like wavy, but my memory has failed me.
Anywho.
All right, everyone, so that's a quick little empty apartment tour.
Woo!
I'm very excited to decorate it and to, you know, maybe do some DIYs to spruce it up and make it look super, super nice. So stay tuned, there's going to be a lot of apartment content coming soon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!